Hi, Annabelle Williams from Fine and Country, Leamington Spa. 57 Greatheed Road is a lovely townhouse situated in the desirable location of North Leamington. Just a few minutes walk from the town centre and outdoor spaces such as the Jeffson Gardens and the Royal Pump Room Gardens. It also has great access to major transporting links, with a commute to London just over an hour. Let's take a look inside the property. The ground floor hosts a living area with a lovely bay window and gas fire. A large dining room with a door to the side of the garden and a separate WC. To the rear of the property is a newly renovated open-plan kitchen with modern appliances, skylights and patio doors stepping out into the garden. Stairs leading to the first floor showcase 2 double bedrooms, with one currently being used as a work-from-home office and a 3-piece family bathroom with a lovely roll-top bathtub. It also hosts the main bedroom with a 2-piece ensuite. The second floor presents the converted loft space with the dormer. This double bedroom also has 4 skylights to allow for lots of light to enter through. This property also benefits from a cellar, which provides great space for storage and would also lend itself to be converted into a living space. To the rear of the property is a lovely south-facing walled garden with an access strip behind. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like any more information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that will follow.